Hello everyone, this is Tanas with LegalTrek. As you can see, I am in our new and improved list of invoices, and I'm going to go ahead and go to the Send to Client menu. You're going to notice one new thing here is that the sender is customizable. You don't anymore have to send your company invoices via the system from the email noreply@legaltrek.com. You can actually input your own email here, as you can see I've done for Victoria, and you can change that. Whatever you type in here, this is the email that your client is going to receive the email from. It's still going to be generated by our system, but the name of the email sender will be what's inputted here. To turn this feature on, please go to Settings and then go to Invoice Settings and mark Allow Different Email Sender here. And of course, when you do that, you are going to get the default sender, so whatever you write here is going to be pre-filled by default. And when you get to step 3, I just changed it to Atanas@LegalTrek in order to demonstrate. And of course, when you get to step 3 of creating the invoice, or when you have a ready invoice, and for that ready invoice you decide to send, let's say this one, when you decide to send, this is when you're going to get the email. This email is going to be personal for every user, so every user can set the sender email. It can be very well be your office email for all of your senders. It can be the personal email of every partner, so let's say Peter can put Peter@LegalTrek, Ivan can put Ivan@LegalTrek, etc., etc. It's up to you. And of course, here would be your company domain, right? It would be, let's say, Ivan@WallFirm. It doesn't have to be LegalTrek ending, of course. You just place your own email here if you need to do this. This feature has been requested for clients, so we hope you are going to use it widely, and this is actually going to help you to send more invoices from the system and automate the process further. Thank you very much for watching.